Vivo has unveiled a captivating teaser video showcasing the X100 Pro's impressive specs, promising to revolutionize the realm of smartphone photography. The video highlights the groundbreaking 1-inch type main sensor, a testament to Vivo's continuous innovation in imaging technology. This sensor, partnered with Vivo's self-developed V3 image chip, is poised to deliver unparalleled image quality, capturing stunning details in any lighting condition. The periscope module, rumored to feature a high-resolution 64MP OmniVision OV64B1/2 sensor with 0.7 pixels and variooppo lenses, further enhances the X100 Pro's photographic prowess. This combination promises exceptional telephoto capabilities, enabling users to capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity and precision. Powering this imaging powerhouse is the Dimensity 9300 flagship chipset, a testament to Vivo's commitment to delivering cutting-edge performance. This octa-core processor, coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM, ensures seamless multitasking and a lag-free experience, even while demanding tasks like mobile gaming or video editing. Recent leaks suggest that the X100 series will be equipped with 5,400 mAh batteries developed by Ningda New Energy, a leading manufacturer of lithium-ion batteries. These batteries, combined with Vivo's proprietary fast-charging technology, promise to keep the X100 series powered throughout the day. Pricing information has also surfaced, indicating that the base 12/256GB Vivo X100 will start at 3,999 Chinese yuan, $550. This competitive price point further underscores Vivo's commitment to making cutting-edge technology accessible to a wider audience. With its groundbreaking imaging capabilities, powerful chipset, and long-lasting battery, the Vivo X100 Pro is poised to redefine the smartphone photography experience. As the teaser video suggests, the X100 Pro is more than just a smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile photography.